Hisarlar Silage Baler and Packing Machines. We are proud to present Hisarlar Silage Baler and Packing Machines combined round baling and wrapping in a single process. The silage baler and packing machine compresses the chopped hay, fruit pulp and sugar beet wastes as well as agricultural products and wrap them with stretch film to create the best environment for product fermentation. This enormously profitable machine is designed to save time and increase the quality of the livestock feed. Thanks to its unique design, Hisarlar's silage baler and packing machine consumes less electricity per bale. Hence, the machine is both environment-friendly and cost-effective. Simple design, less weight, less friction, PLC control and touchscreen monitor provide ease of operation and increase productivity. Hisarlar offers 3 different models: SP850 for 500 kg bales, SP1150 for 1 ton bales with a ground level feeding. Hisarlar silage baler and packing machines. We are proud to present Mahindra Hisarlar, one-stop solution.